LumaFusion versus DaVinci Resolve. So let's start with LumaFusion. So LumaFusion is a professional-grade mobile video editing app, especially popular among iPad and iPhone users. It's known for bringing desktop-level editing tools to touchscreens. So let's talk about the pros. So it offers a smooth, fast editing on iOS. And it's also available on Android and Chromebooks. They also have a multi-track timeline. They have a built-in effects, transitions, and keyframe animations, and it's optimized for Apple Pencil and touch gestures. They also have great for mobile journalists and on-the-go creators. And the only downside is it lacks advanced color grading and visual effects. Now, DaVinci, on the other hand, is an industry standard desktop video editor. It's professional grade color grading, and they have a VFX, audio editing, and cinematic capabilities all in one platform. Its pros is it is the best-in-class color correction and grading tools. They also have a Fusion tab for visual effects and motion graphics. They also have a fair light for pro-level audio mixing, and they have a full-featured free version, which is used in Hollywood and pro studios. The only downside is it has a steep learning curve for beginners. It requires a powerful PC or Mac to run smoothly, and the interface might overwhelm casual editors.